In week 8, our group followed a structured plan based on the Gantt chart from Monday until Friday to complete our project. On Monday, our class started with a lecture briefing by Madam Wen. During the season, she explained the project guidelines, requirements, and expectations clearly. We also took the opportunity to clarify any doubts. After the briefing, we discussed the project with our group members to share ideas, understand our roles, and plan the next step together. On Tuesday, we focused on buying the materials needed for the project. We visited several hardware shops, including Hawk Hardware and Huatai Hardware. During the process, we filmed the shopping activities and showed where each item was purchased. This helped us keep proper documentation and ensure that all required materials we collected according to our plan. On Wednesday, we prepared the workspace and organized all the materials we had bought. Each item was arranged properly to make the working process easier and more systematic. On the same day, we continued assembling the components and began preparing the video script. We also adjust our plan slightly based on the progress and challenge we face. On Thursday, we continued the assembly process and focused on capturing the procedure step by step on video. This was important to clearly show how the project was done and to ensure the video content follow the project requirement. Finally, on Friday, Faris edited the Week 8 progress video. He arranged the clip, added explanation, and included the project timeline and all required activity details. After reviewing the video to make sure everything was complete and clear, the final video was submitted to Madam. Overall, this Gantt chart helped us manage our time efficiently and complete its start recording to schedule in week 8. On Monday, Madam Wen briefed our class about the assignment. She explained the requirement clearly and emphasized the key points we need to follow. After her briefing, our group discussed the assignment together, sharing ideas and planning how to complete it efficiently. On Tuesday, our group drove to Jasin Bestari to buy the materials for our project. We made sure to get everything we needed for the assignment. The first place we went was Mr. DIY. We looked carefully around the store, checking each area for the items on our list. Unfortunately, we couldn't find what we need there. Although it was a bit disappointing, we stayed focused and planned our next stop to make sure we could get everything for our project. Our next stop was the stationery store. At the stationery store, we carefully looked through the shelf and finally found one item we needed, a black cardboard. This cardboard is very useful because it will help us review and check all the items after we buy them. Finding it gave us confidence and we made sure to handle it carefully so it would be ready for our project planning. Now, we went to the hardware store called Cock Hardware. We carefully looked around for the materials we still needed for our project. The store had many different tools and supplies, so we took our time to find the right ones. After checking everything on our list, we finally picked the items we needed and made sure they were all in good condition before bringing them back for our project. The first item from Hawk Hardware is a jerry can. It was checked carefully to ensure it is the right size and in good condition. This jerry can will help complete the project task efficiently. After selecting it, focus moved to gather the remaining materials needed for the project. The second item is a 3-pin plug. It was checked carefully to make sure it is safe and works properly. This plug is important for completing the project setup. The third item is wires, which will be used to connect the power outlet. Each wire is checked carefully to ensure it is safe and the right length for the project. These wires are important to make sure all the electrical connections work properly. The fourth item is a PVC pipe. It was carefully checked to ensure it is the correct size and in good condition. This pipe is important for the project because it will help support and organize the setup. The next item is a power outlet. It was inspected to ensure it functions safely and reliably. This outlet will provide the necessary electricity for the project setup. The final items are the equipment needed to complete the project, which include a screwdriver, scissor, and knife. Each tool is checked to ensure it is in good condition and safe to use. These tools are important for assembling and preparing the project properly. With these items ready, all the materials are now complete and organized for the next step. On Friday, Faris edited the video for the assignment. He carefully arranged all the clips, added caption, and made sure the visual matched the sequence of our work. After reviewing the video to ensure everything was clear and complete, he submitted it to Madam. The process required attention to detail and focus, but it was satisfying to see the final project ready.